tortellini puttanesca. So I have olive oil in a 10-inch skillet, and I'm adding garlic and chopped Kalamata olives, some capers, and this is a very weird ingredient, a tablespoon of, who wants to guess what this is?
Tomato paste.
Anchovy paste. If you can't find anchovy paste, though, you can just buy a tin of anchovies and chop up 4. That's basically what I just added. Cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes cut in half, and then crushed red pepper flakes for the win. Yes, Mauricio is so excited. Pasta puttanesca is truly one of my favorite Italian pasta dishes. It's just so flavorful, so easy. It's basically like a pantry meal. So I'm gonna cook this mixture for just a couple of minutes. So for the liquid, I'm gonna add about 1/2 cup of white wine. It only takes a splash. And then about 1.5 cups of low sodium broth, nothing fancy. Okay, so now to the liquid, you add the tortellini. So this is just regular cheese tortellini, and I'm adding it right into the pan with the broth and the wine. I'll break it up a little bit. Now I just have to stir this and cook for exactly 5 minutes. This is going to be so good. Woo! Talk about a steam facial. Look at this, honestly, look. That sauce has basically cooked down. The pasta has absorbed it. Everything is just basically one with one another. So I'm gonna turn the heat way down, and I'm gonna grab some spinach. I love this because it just makes everything look prettier. And I'm just gonna stir it around for 1 minute until the spinach wilts. Look at that, isn't that yummy and rustic and just beautiful? Now we just need to add some shredded Parmesan, and that is a 1 skillet pasta that I am totally excited about. Here I go. Should I eat it?
Yes. I'm gonna give some to me.
Mmm.
What's your thoughts?
Baby. I'm in love. I'm in love, I'm in love, and I don't care who knows it.